How to log in a Scotia online bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you on how can you log in Scotia Bank online banking account. So first of all, go ahead and open your browser and type www.scotiabank.com and just hit enter. Here you have to choose a site for your country where you belong or where you are a resident of. Then you'll get into the official interface of the Scotia Bank and go to the personal option on the top left. Then click on sign in, which is highlighted in the red color. Now simply enter your username, card number, and password and sign in. In case if you don't remember your ID and password, click on need help signing in and continue with the instructions. So this is how you can log in Scotia online bank account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.